Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oregano oil from dried oregano. Gather dried oregano, carrier oil, a clean mason jar, and a double boiler or slow cooker to infuse. Measure a 2:1 oil to herb ratio, bruise the herbs lightly, and fill the jar leaving an inch of headspace. Seal, warm gently, then strain into a dark bottle and label with date for safe, effective storage. Choose an infusion method that suits your time and comfort, keeping temperatures low to protect active compounds. For the double boiler method, maintain gentle warmth and stir occasionally while monitoring fragrance. Slow cooker users should use low heat and a timer to prevent overheating. Sun infusion requires patience and a sealed jar placed in indirect sunlight for 2 weeks, then strain and store in amber glass away from direct light for best results. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful home remedy tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for picking up stray oregano leaves and keeping your kitchen tidy while you infuse, plus voice control means hands stay free for cooking or measuring. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After infusion, strain the oil thoroughly to remove tiny herb bits that can spoil the batch, using cheesecloth or a fine sieve. Pour the filtered oil into an amber bottle, seal tightly, and record the preparation date and oil to herb ratio on the label. Keep the bottle in a cool, dark place and smell it before use. If it smells off or appears cloudy, discard and make a fresh batch to ensure safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.